Hi, this is Amina Sheikh here, and with me right now I have Anupam Kher, sir. So join me as I welcome him only on Zoom. Victory for you, and so many roles, and that passion in your eyes is always there. How does it feel?
Feels amazing, I think. It feels amazing, first of all, to talk to you also, because the passion that you have, interviews after interviews, you still have that great newness about it. And that's what I apply to my career and my profession. You have to have a sense of wonder. Um, no matter you've done so much work, you've been working for the last 40 years. Um, the point is, there are millions of people who come to the city of dreams, Mumbai, and only 0.01% make it. I'm one of those. So I will always be thankful to God and never say, अब बहुत हो गया. Or I always say that अब शुरुआत की है मैंने, because now I'm comfortable with who I am and I make my job difficult. So it's wonderful.
And many films you have been doing off late, and I could see a plethora of content has been offered to you. But personally, if you had to revive any of your projects, which one would it be and why?
I would like to make Saransh, but as a action film.
Oh, action.
Yeah. As a father who tries to save this girl who is pregnant in her house. I would like to do that. So many films I would like to redo because I have a better understanding of life. So in the process, a better understanding of acting. But Saransh, in fact, I spoke to Mahesh Bhatt Saab and I said, can I work on a script and make this film at this age? Because when I was 28, I was playing a 65-year-old man. From my point of view, at that time, a 65-year-old man looked in a certain male. I am now 70. Wow. I don't look the man who was in that. I still think I look much, much younger than that man. And it will be fun to play that role that manner.
Emergency has received mixed reviews, but at the same time people have loved and applauded your role as well. What do you have to say on that, especially in such movies which are touching political subjects? It comes under radar. What was your thought?
So I think mixed reviews came because I think people came to a conclusion that this must be a film about political biases. But thanks to OTT again, now that the film is on Netflix, it's a #1 and people are loving it. And people from opposition parties I met today, and she said, oh my God, this was not what we thought. It's a completely different film. It's a very unbiased film. So I think that's what the film is. At the end of it, अभी लम्हे रिलीज हो रही है. उस समय लम्हे नहीं चली थी, मगर आज वो कल्ट फिल्म है. तो कभी कभी ज़िंदगी के उस मौके पर उसको वो नहीं मिलता, वो स्थान नहीं मिलता जो मिलना चाहिए. बट अच्छा काम कभी ना कभी आपको जाहिर हो ही जाता है.
But sir, before I let you go, I have to ask you this. Do you feel that, the political iron should not be there, on art? Because art is different completely.
It should not be. They did the same thing to Kashmir Files.
Because it's a movie eventually.
It's a movie. हमने शिंडलर लिस्ट जब बनाते हैं तो हम ऐसा नहीं महसूस कराते. हम और कोई फिल्म और किसी अच्छे मुद्दे पर बना. Cinema has to be perceived, but then everybody who has a phone today, who is on social media, has an opinion. You can't change that. We have to live with this. But सच वो दिया है. बड़ी अच्छी लाइन है सलीम साहब की. सच वो दिया है जिसको अगर पहाड़ की चोटी पे भी रख दिया जाए, बेशक रोशनी कम करता है लेकिन दिखाई बहुत दूर से देता है. तो सच ही होता है.
That's true. And before I let you go, I have to ask you, what are your upcoming projects you're focusing on now?
So I have directed a film, Tanvi the Great, and it's in final stages of editing, VFX and everything. I'm really, really looking forward to it. Tumko Meri Kasam just got released yesterday, and Basu's film is there, Anurag Basu's film, Metro in Dino.
That's got everyone excited, I must say.
Yeah, it's a beautiful film. He's a brilliant director. But I'm very excited about the film that I have directed and wanting to share it with the world.
Looking forward to see more of you, sir, all the time.
Yes.
And thank you so much for making such amazing movies that keeps us hooked on for sure. Thank you so much, sir.
Take care.
Thank you.
Lots of love.
Thank you.